In this video, you'll learn how to use Afterpay on eBay for your purchases. This guide will take you through the steps to select Afterpay at checkout, review your payment plan, and complete your transaction effectively. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, browse for items you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. After selecting your items, click on the cart icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the checkout process. During checkout, you will see various payment options available. Look for and select Afterpay as your payment method. It is important to ensure that the seller accepts Afterpay for the items you are purchasing. If you are eligible for Afterpay, you will be prompted to log into your Afterpay account to verify your details. Next, after selecting Afterpay, you will be presented with a payment plan overview. This section includes the installment schedule detailing due dates and payment amounts. It is crucial to confirm that your linked bank account or credit card can cover these payments. Take a moment to review any potential fees or late payment charges associated with Afterpay. Understanding the total costs before finalizing your purchase will help you avoid unexpected charges. A thorough review is essential for maintaining responsible financial habits. Once you have reviewed the payment plan and confirmed your financial readiness, proceed to complete your transaction. Click on the button to confirm your order. In this process, you will authorize the first installment payment. Afterpay will automatically deduct subsequent payments from your linked account according to the previously outlined schedule. You should receive confirmation emails from both eBay and Afterpay after your order is completed. Keeping track of these emails is important for managing your payments. It is advisable to monitor your Afterpay account regularly. This will help you stay informed about upcoming payments and avoid late fees. Make sure to note the payment dates as they approach. Responsible usage of Afterpay contributes to a positive buying experience, allowing you to enjoy your purchases without financial stress. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.